Just video, will you? Record it, man, for God's sake. Do my edit. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Oh, right, you start then. Go on then.
Hello.
Oh, what's occurring?
Hi and welcome to this week's collaboration video, which is about
motorhome upgrades.
Motorhome upgrades. She'll tag on now, she will. She'll pick up a bit. She only just got up, it's 12 o'clock.
No, I haven't. I just come home from work. Anyway, going on from that, we have got joining us in this collab, so please have a look at their station. We've got Channel. Alright, Channel is DK Goes Wild.
The Hills on Tour.
Made by Hedgehogs.
Meandering Manx.
And Wandering Wilds. Wandering Wilds.
And this week also we have two new channels that are joining us, who are the Baileys Go Camping
and the Dream Chasers. You know who we've forgotten?
Who?
Us.
Oh, us. Yeah, we're in it as well apparently. Don't know what we're going to do, but we're in it.
So this video is not going to be very long because we have got one thing to show you of our upgrade.
Oh, right. What, you want about something else then? What the hell, woman?
Our upgrade is a new van.
Yeah, new motorhome. When this first came out as a topic for the collaboration, we thought, yeah, we've done loads of upgrades, and then we went to the Shepton Mallet show and got a new to us motorhome. So that's the biggest upgrade we've done on the old motorhome.
So this is going to be a really short video. Since we've had the van, we have done some upgrades, surprisingly enough. So we will keep the upgrade for giving you a view of the new van.
A van tour.
And another video because we have done loads to this van, the new van, since we've had it, haven't we?
No.
Yes, we have.
What?
Well, the first day that we had it, after we had COVID, we went out and it wouldn't start, unfortunately.
Yes.
So you had to buy a new battery and fit that, which was working like a treat. What did you pay for it?
It's in the other video.
It's in the other video. It was only £80 and David fitted it himself, so we saved ourselves about 100 quid, wasn't it? Something like that. We also had leisure batteries, the lithium batteries.
On the old Contiki. So I took them off there. Did tell the dealer that we were keeping those because they're only a few months old. And so I replaced the lead acid that were in here. Two 180 amp hour batteries, they were, weighed a ton. But so put the lithium in instead. The lithium we put in were two 120 amp hour. So when we had the van, it did have a 1500 watt inverter, but sadly it passed away. I did have an inverter from the old van, 2 kilowatt, so I put that in instead, and it's working fine. It's only a cheapie, but it's done us for the last 4 years. Don't use it all the time. Hopefully, if Rian stops spending all the money, I can get a nice pure sound wave inverter, which will be better all around, I think.
Okay, and what was the next one? The next one was, and I've got to give a big shout out for P&P
Campers
that we bought the van off.
In Gosport.
The tyres were 8-year-old and we didn't realise that until we'd actually received the van, did we?
Because we were too excited to check all these things.
Now the legal requirement is on a van this size that you change the tyres at 10-year-old because there was still a really good tread on them, wasn't there?
Yeah, they look new.
But they were old and the so we bought brand new tyres.
Yeah.
What tyres were they?
They're Michelin Aguirre's Cross Climates. 6 of them. So, and what are they? 190 quid each. So expensive but fair dues. P&P Campers agreed to pay half with us. So thank you very much, all of you at P&P Campers.
Thank you very much.
Brilliant.
That was brilliant. It was lovely. Oh, and to say, I can't forget, they actually paid for the battery as well, didn't they?
Yes, and they gave us, refunded us for the new battery as well. So thumbs up for P&P Campers. Get down, have a look online at there, see what they've got to offer. They've got a lovely Contiki 649 for sale apparently. Another addition were new decals onto the motorhome. Liam and from Wandering Wheelie and Lewis from the Dream Chasers helped stick the new decals onto the van while we were away the other weekend down at the Gateway Resort. Many thanks to both of you. I think they look great anyway. Cheers.
So the next thing was the doors. We'd done them on our old van.
Yes.
And-
Vinyl wrap in the doors.
And this is all, the majority of the upgrades are all down to David, to be honest with you. He does
well,
it.
Ian's always in bed with a hangover.
So David decided, we did it on the old Contiki, we wrapped all the doors, didn't we, internally, and it just boosts the look on them, I
Yeah,
think.
brightens it up a bit. So I've only done over the kitchen area for now, because I've run out of stuff. But we will carry on and do the rest of them as I go along.
Through the winter period.
Yeah.
Right, what was the next one?
Other upgrade we did, I installed extra USB sockets. Ordered from Amazon, £10 I thought, which was a bargain, double USB outlet. When it came it was £10 for two, even better. So I put one in, they're a dual USB outlet, simple to fix or install, and 3.1 amp combined outlet on them. So fantastic, great bargain.
Dude, that means nothing to me.
Well,
That's all I know is that it works.
charges your phone.
And it charges my phone, yeah. Well, one of the biggest...
No, the main reason we changed
main
our
reason
van,
we changed the van. Well, the main reason David wanted to change the van, not that you changed it or emptied it very often, was the toilet.
Yes, you fill it, you empty it. Yeah, that was it. It was not only a van upgrade, it was a toilet upgrade, because this is a porcelain toilet, a marine porcelain toilet, a macerator toilet. Bloody brilliant. Well, it was.
So it was until we had a little bit of a problem with it, but fair play, David took it all off.
Ripped it all out and stripped it down and put new hoses on, because there's two one-way valves on them which are a bit well, it's been in since 2005, so you can imagine. So new hoses on, all back in, working like a dream. Love it. Can't beat the posh shit.
Yeah, so when we go away to different sites or anything, or if we do wild camping, we don't have to worry about...
Emptying the cassette.
How big is the
Not sure.
tank for it? I
It
thought you said-
should cope with a couple of your logs. No problem, basically. I just hope the macerator will cope with them.
We love the space in the front of the van. It's really sociable, isn't it, for everybody else? But I didn't like the table, the size of the table.
It was a little bit large.
It was a little bit large.
So that's an upgrade. That is nearly done.
Yeah.
As in, I've taken off the old one and I've put in a temporary smaller one until we can find something that we both like,
Yes.
isn't it?
This
We
one.
want something nice and smart. So if any of you have any ideas where to get a new tabletop, please drop them in the comments.
Yeah, that would be greatly appreciated. The van came with the satellite and satellite box, which works great.
Yep.
However, we decided to buy a new smart TV and
The reason being because the van's got built-in Wi-Fi as well, so we've got the option of satellite or link it to Wi-Fi. So brilliant bit of kit, love it.
and the soundbar as well, which makes a huge difference.
Yeah, and we've got a little JVC soundbar which is mounted below it, which, as Rian says, is marvellous. Great if you've got people around, you want to watch a football or something like that. But if that's the case and there's not too many of us, we got something else as well.
Yeah.
Which was a mini projector and drop down screen. My favourite.
We haven't used it much. The TV is quite adequate enough for us, just the two of us.
Yeah.
But with the internationals and stuff like that, and we've got
And
a few
if we
people
can't
in
find
the
a
van.
pub,
We can't find a pub.
we can watch it in the van on a big screen.
What was the name of the projector?
The ViewSonic Mini. So something like that anyway. Great little bit of kit. It's rechargeable as well. It's not obviously not the best on the market because they can cost a fortune, but adequate for what we want, and we can take it outside and use it on the side of the van if we want to as well because of the rechargeable battery in it. So as you can see,
We've done quite a bit, considering we've only had it for 2 months, or you've done quite a bit.
We haven't done a lot at all. It's just the weather and things like this now, and work-wise it's been hectic. We haven't been away for a couple of weeks. No. But got a couple of trips planned coming up. But there are some major upgrades we want to do to the thing in the future.
Really want to do. However, it's like everything else, the economy at the moment, bills,
share prices down.
We really want to get a levelling system, because if you watch those videos from the other van with the Contiki, we had the levelling system on that, and if you've never had a levelling system, you perhaps wouldn't appreciate it, but once you've had it, I really miss it, because you usually drive this van and it's me that's levelling everything out in the pouring rain outside. So yeah, we'd really like to have a levelling system.
I'm willing to wait, especially through the winter.
Which one? I don't know. I'm sure you'll do some reviews on that. If you've got any suggestions on the levelling system out there that you've got.
We did have a Marvey system which was great, never let us down. Well, did once, but won't go into that. But that was just a simple little fault. Yeah, so let us know your thoughts on the levelling system. Not negative thoughts of why waste all that money. It's our money, it's up to us what we want to do with it. And as Rian said, if you've never had it, you don't know what you're missing.
No. So there's a levelling system, and also solar. We've got 100 watt solar.
120 watts on now, but I want to upgrade that, put about 400 watts on or something like that. But those things will come. We shall see.
Please have a look at the other channels in this collab. There's another 7 channels.
Yeah, see what they've been up to, what goodies they've got in their van.
So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, it is free. Drop us a comment on some of the stuff that we've asked in the video, if you've been watching.
And if you have been watching and you haven't subscribed, well, you can just
Oh, what's occurring?